In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted board in Trello. First, make sure you're logged into your Trello account in your browser or desktop app. You should be looking at your main Trello dashboard, where you normally see all your boards and workspaces. This is our starting point for bringing back a board that you thought was gone. Before we dive into the actual clicks, it's important to clarify something about Trello's wording. In Trello, a board that looks deleted is often just closed. A closed board is basically hidden from your main view, but it's not permanently removed yet. That's good news because it means you can still restore it. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on reopening a closed board, which is the most common situation when people think they've deleted a board. From your dashboard, look towards the top or side of the interface for the option to switch boards. Depending on your layout, this might be a button, a menu, or an icon that lets you move between different boards quickly. Go ahead and click on that Switch Boards option. This will open up a panel or menu that shows more of your workspaces and board-related settings. Inside that menu, look toward the bottom right area. You'll see an icon with 3 dots. This usually stands for More Options or Additional Settings in Trello. Click on those 3 dots. This is where Trello hides some of the less frequently used tools, including the one we need to access closed boards. After clicking the 3 dots, a new set of options will appear. From here, choose the item labeled Boards. This will take you to a broader view where Trello lists boards related to your current workspace, including options to see boards that are not currently visible on your main dashboard. On the board screen, look for a link or button that says View Closed Boards. It might be lower down on the page or slightly smaller than the regular board tiles, so don't worry if it's not immediately obvious. Click on View Closed Boards to open a dedicated list of all the boards that have been closed in this workspace. You should now see a list of your closed boards. Find the board you want to restore, then click the Reopen button next to its name. As soon as you do that, Trello will move it back into your active boards, and it will once again appear on your main dashboard, fully accessible and ready to use.